Hi staff, this is a quick overview of what will replace our staff meeting on Monday. So we have a staff meeting set for 10/15/2018. Instead of meeting as a whole group, here is what you can expect. So each grade level SPED specialists are going to present on the morning of the 26th for staff development in October. Here are some of the details. In your groups, you're going to present for 10 to 20 minutes on a topic of your choice. This can be in connection with your ideal goal, but it does not have to. The opportunity is to highlight achievements around Patriot and to learn from others. So the presentation itself does not have to be something formal. It can be formal or informal. If you want to pull some stuff up, show people, you can do that, but it is really your choice. And the logistics on the next page will basically come down to answering this question: what do you want others to know about what you are doing here that is amazing? So here are the logistics. Each grade level specialist SPED you're going to present. What is it? 10 to 20 minute presentation on something you're doing. It's going to take place October 26th as part of our morning staff development. Be in the library as usual. Why? This is really to build understanding and capacity of staff at Patriot about the things that we're doing here, and then to celebrate all the successes within the building. And one question that I want everyone to answer is, what do you want others to know you are doing here that is amazing? How do you go above and beyond? What are some of the things that you're doing right now this year that you really like, and to be able to present that? No staff meeting on Monday. Use the time to create this for the 26th. You can also use the time for any of your other professional responsibilities, grades, getting ready for conferences, whatever else it might be. Thank you for your time. Have a great rest of the day.